turning our gaze back to storage and storage type things, Stephen, there's a story about VAST Data achieving certification for its data platform as a certified data store for NVIDIA DGX SuperPOD, which provides organizations with scalable and agile performance for modern AI workloads. I wasn't familiar with this certification, so can you expand a little on what VAST is doing with NVIDIA?
Yeah, this is actually a very exciting story. First off, let's just say that VAST has been incredibly impressive company. We've seen them at Field Day many times. I want to call your attention especially to Storage Field Day 23, where VAST presented, and they also brought in NVIDIA to present and talk about integration between the two companies. So, I wonder if that's related to this. So VAST Data makes this data platform, which is basically an incredibly scalable NAS platform for enterprise that uses Flash, including QLC Flash, but offers scalability, reliability, high availability, everything. It's a pretty great high-end storage platform. But NVIDIA's DGX SuperPOD has never supported an enterprise NAS platform that I'm aware of previous to this. If you don't know, the DGX SuperPOD is basically a way to deploy your own AI supercomputer using NVIDIA's latest technology. But a DGX SuperPOD needs to have additional components, especially storage, to go along with it. So all of the companies in the storage industry have been jockeying to be a good partner for NVIDIA for these superpods, because everybody wants to be able to power, the latest AI supercomputers. And that's what VAST is offering now. So essentially, the VAST data platform is certified as a data store for DGX, meaning that enterprises or hyperscalers, cloud, whoever wanted to have their own NVIDIA superpod can just basically go and deploy this thing in a kind of a cookie cutter, recipe kind of fashion. It supports, of course, all the latest machine learning, deep learning workloads. And of course, it includes all of the VAST capabilities, including scalability and performance, like I mentioned earlier. Another aspect of this, of VAST, is that it provides multi-tenancy, which might be interesting for some cloud providers, along with encryption and authentication and all that sort of thing. And one of the big things that the VAST platform offers is quality of service controls. In other words, you can basically say this workload needs this level of service, and it's important that you meet those, throughput, latency requirements, that sort of thing. Anyway, it's a really impressive product on its own. And combining that with the NVIDIA DGX platform, I think, is really a great move for VAST. Honestly, this is just the next step in, I think, the world's acceptance of VAST as the next great storage company.